Today, we're walking through the complete Tangem wallet setup guide. Tangem is a secure and user-friendly hardware wallet designed to give you full control over your crypto assets without the complexity of traditional wallets. It combines physical cards with blockchain security, making it both portable and resilient. Start by unboxing your Tangem wallet. Each wallet comes as a smart card with NFC capability. Open the Tangem app, available on both iOS and Android, and tap the card on your phone to begin the initialization process. The app will prompt you to create a new wallet. During this process, a private key is generated and stored securely on the card. The Tangem wallet never exposes your private key to the internet, ensuring maximum security. Next, you will name your wallet. Choose a recognizable name to easily identify it, especially if you plan to use multiple wallets. The app will also guide you through adding a backup. Tangem wallets rely on their physical cards as the backup, so keep it safe and avoid sharing it with anyone. Once setup is complete, you can start receiving crypto. Tap the wallet card on your phone, copy your public address, and use it to receive funds. The wallet supports Bitcoin, Ethereum, USDT, and other major assets. Sending crypto is equally straightforward. Enter the recipient's address in the app, confirm the amount, and authorize the transaction by tapping your Tangem card. This physical tap ensures that transactions are secure and can't be manipulated remotely. Regularly check your Tangem app for updates, as firmware and app updates can enhance security and compatibility with new cryptocurrencies. Tangem wallets offer a seamless experience for both beginners and experienced users, combining physical security with intuitive app functionality. By following this setup guide, you ensure your crypto assets are protected while keeping transactions simple and efficient.